Hi, this is Pawan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about assembly in NX software. First of all, open NX software, then go to new, then click or control plus and enter with the help of keyboard. After that, click on model, then double click on assembly or single click, then click on OK. Now the new window will open. This is assembly toolbar, then click on open. Now browse the model and choose the base model. Every model make in one folder. After that, click on the big model or base model. Suppose if you don't know, then click on this model, its preview. You can check all model. Simple, click, choose on the model, then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now this part coordinate system is different than the assembly coordinate system. First of all, go to menu, go to insert, go to datum, go to datum CSYS. Then click on OK. With the help of this coordinate system, we move this component. For this component, use assembly constraints. Click on assembly, then click on assembly constraints. Now there are ample of options in constraint like touch align, concentric, distance, fix, parallel, perpendicular, angle, center, bond, fit, and align oblique lock. Now first choose center, and there are subtype 1:2, 2:1, 2:2. Now I choose this 2:1. It means first click, then second click, two reference with one reference. This is 1, 2, 1. Now this model is in center position of the datum coordinate system. Then click on OK, apply. Now go for next constraint, then click on touch align, then choose subtype touch, click on this face, then click on datum plane, this plane. Now both are joined. Now click on there and choose center axis. Click on this face or center axis and click on datum, this vector, Z vector. Now datum coordinate system both are same. you want to normal view, right right click with mouse and click on snap view or F8 press with the keyboard. Now go for next model, click on add component there, or click on menu, insert, in there assembly, component, add component. Same option, go to open, then click on open option. Now choose next part, then click on OK. After that, click on this option. This part will highlight. Click on this option, move, and click on anywhere in the blank space, then click on OK. You can rotate also with the help of this handle, then click on OK. First of all, click on assembly constraint, go to touch align. In this option, choose center axis, choose this face or center axis, and choose this option, this face. If you want to reverse this option, then click on this reverse. If you now you need a reverse, then click on this also reverse, then click on OK. After that, click on assembly navigator, right click on brass, this name is brass, right click and go to move. Now drag with the help of this arrow, just pick and drag and pick and move. You can also rotate. Now click on assembly constraint, click on again touch align, center axis, click on this face, then click on this face, then click on OK. Now click on again add component, click on open, click on this option, click on cap, then click on OK. After that, you can choose assembly constraint. For cocenter, you will also use concentric option. You can choose center axis or concentric. Click on this face, edge, click on this edge. Now both center are same. Right click, move, both are okay. Click on snap view, click on move, no movement. You can use also center axis. Suppose I will show again. Click on add component, open, cap, click on this option, then click on there. Now click this. Now click on same assembly constraint, click on first option, touch align, then choose center axis. After that you need to click on face or click on center axis. Just click on this axis. Now choose center. Now choose 2:2. First click, second click, same sequence, first click, second click. Now the part is symmetric with the reference of this. Now turn for next part, click on add component, click on open, click on bolt, then click on OK. Click on select object and click on anywhere and click on OK. Click on assembly constraint, click on touch align, center axis, click on this face and click on this face, then click on OK. Same, right click on this part, then go to move and pick the arrow and move with the help of a mouse. Now click on assembly constraint, click on parallel, click on this face and click on this face. Now both are parallel, then click on apply, then click on touch align, then go choose touch option. Touch means linear part will be move and join to each other. Then click on this face. After that go to add component, click on this option, open and choose option suppose nut, click on OK. Click on anywhere, first click on this, watch again, click on open, click on this option, click on nut, then click on open, OK. After that, click on select object, click on move and click on there, then click on OK. After that, click on assembly constraint, go to there and choose center axis, click on this face, then click on this face, click on OK. Now nut is hide, don't worry, right click on nut and go to move, pick the arrow and move with the help of mouse, click on assembly constraint, click on this option and choose touch due to flat surface, click on flat surface on both sides, then click on OK. Now if you want to same part to fit in this option in part, then choose mirror option, go for mirror assembly, click on this part, next choose the component, first click, second click, then click on next. Now he asked for plane, don't worry, just zoom out and click on this plane with the center of the body, then click on OK, then click on next, click on next and click on finish. Now this is assembly. You can assemble many more parts with the help of this command. If you want to hide this icon, just press Ctrl W and click on hide option in front of this option. If you want to hide this coordinate system, then click on hide in front of coordinate system, click on this option, all thing will hide. If you want to show, then click on there, all thing will show. This is assembly. If you learn from this video, then please like, share, comment on this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks to everyone.